Hey there, future runners. Are you ready to lace up your sneakers and hit the pavement? Whether you're looking to improve your fitness, clear your mind, or just enjoy some time outdoors, running is a fantastic way to get moving and stay healthy. But if you're new to running, getting started can feel a bit daunting. Don't worry. Today, I'm going to share some simple tips to help you start running like a pro, even if you've never laced up a pair of running shoes before. Alright, let's jump right into it with our beginner's guide to running. Step 1. Start slow and steady. If you're new to running, it's important to start slow and gradually build up your endurance. Begin with a brisk walk to warm up, then transition into a light jog at a comfortable pace. Listen to your body and take breaks as needed. There's no need to push yourself too hard, especially in the beginning. Step 2. Focus on form and technique. Pay attention to your running form and technique to prevent injury and improve efficiency. Keep your posture tall, shoulders relaxed, and arms bent at a 90-degree angle. Land softly on your midfoot and aim for a smooth, rhythmic stride. Remember to breathe deeply and evenly as you run. Step 3. Set realistic goals and track your progress. Set realistic goals for your running journey, whether it's completing your first 5K race or running for a certain amount of time without stopping. Keep track of your progress using a smartphone app or a simple journal to stay motivated and celebrate your achievements along the way. So there you have it, our beginner's guide to running. Remember to start slow and steady, focus on form and technique, and set realistic goals for yourself. With patience, perseverance, and a positive attitude, you'll be running like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy running.